Good morning, peoples, here from Poland in Białystok. Still lovely Białystok, as we've seen. I'm back at Pedro's motorcycle shop here, where yesterday we've ordered some new rear rubber because it was needed. It might seem all right. For some others will say, no, it was done ages ago. I could still put some more on here. You got a bit of cupping, but once the water comes... Dzień dobry! Look at this beauty. How you doing, man?
I'm very good.
So I see that the tire has...
Do you like it?
Yeah, I already like it, man. So you want me to put the bike inside
on
there?
this side though.
Yeah, sweet. Ik ga even de motor pakken, oké? Goeiedag. Oké, goeiedag. Let's fix some Dutch still. Alright, let's get the girl. It's a bit dirty now inside. It's fresh rubber on there. Oh, look at this view. You work a lot on Transalp? In Poland?
Transalp is popular in Poland.
Yeah. Beautiful. So this time around we can take it easy and take the time to retape the rim. The reason why last time we had a leak was because of rim rot here at the rim. Now some would say you gotta change the rim, there's something to say for that. But on Alp I have the same, but worse actually. And I've had it for years and I've put it through some brutal stuff. And it's still there. But in Alp, I already taped it around once completely, so it's not an issue anymore. So this is the duct tape that I brought along. Always bring along duct tape. Be gentle, Piotr.
I don't know how.
The younger generation don't.
Yes.
Until they learned Russian and it was normal. But now it gets. Before you could come to Poland, speak Russian, but not now. The younger generation, not so much anymore.
No. They speak English.
Yeah.
Only English, yes. English, French,
Yeah.
Spanish. German, no? Yeah, yes. Normally, they learning English and German in middle high school.
Yeah, in high school.
They starting English and German.
Okay, we had German, French, and English.
Yes, very nice.
German language for years.
It's awful, huh? I hated it. It was my least favorite.
You know why? I can tell you why, but not we will come.
Oh yeah, I bet. Those are the best stories.
You can get some unsubscribers from Germany.
Oh shit, scheiße. I don't know, because it's nice to find common ground between different cultures. Oh, so nice. Yeah. But you know what I like? I also like the bullshit between the countries.
Yes.
You know, neighbors always talk shit. You know, all over the world.
Everywhere is the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
It's the same. Good morning, big boss.
Bonjour. Not
All
big,
good?
Small.
Small boss. Don't sell yourself short, Peter. Mitas are very hard tires.
Not Metzeler.
Metzeler is
Metzellers.
not so good for you.
Is it the Metzeler the worst?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's the worst.
It's very hard.
When I change it.
Very nice. I needed some extra lube, you know?
Well, it's gonna be a lot because we got a rim lock.
Yeah.
So let's have a look.
We almost never do this, Pavel. So
Because
this
nice.
is like bonus.
Exactly. Yeah.
If it's racing bike, yeah.
If you
go very fast.
200 kilometers per hour, so maybe yeah.
Yeah.
But what they say.
Is it good?
140.
Wheel of Fortune. What will Pavel and Bernardo have done? Let's find out. Go.
Good.
Let's go. Let's go. Tak.
Tak, dobrze.
Dobrze. That's it. Sgoedje. Helemaal goed. I love new rubber, man.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful thing. He made this here. The header pipes, yeah.
Also work.
And so, yeah. So
He must be crazy.
yeah! Just get the engine running, we'll do it like this. Beautiful. Dobrze. Oh, Bernard, what are you gonna do with that, my man? I knew the Polish were fucking crazy, but this is too much, man.
Okay, I go to my home, other job. See you.
Other job?
Good luck.
Hey, my
Good-
pleasure, man.
good trip.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Take care. Chop some wood.
No, it's not for wood. It's for life.
Right. Papa put the rear on there, fresh rubber. Here we go.
Here is nice.
Yeah, and avoid the busy road with the trucks and whatnot. Cool.
It's nice, quiet, and then here you can cross through these legs to this main road.
Yeah. And you said then in Lithuania you have to watch out for the police because they like to watch speed.
Yeah,
And
they watch-
civilian
they watch-
cars.
Even old BMWs.
Yeah?
You never think about it that it could be police.
Yeah. So and even
They hide them, you know.
thanks for
No problem.
the great work, man. The good time, the coffee, herbata, Pavel. Great work, man.
Good
Take it easy. Good luck with the building of the house.
If you are on the road back,
Maybe.
you can stop by coffee.
Thanks, man. Fresh rubber. Mitas E07 Plus. Oh, I can lose my finger in there. Nice. Now we gotta watch it like the first 100K. Although it's good, from what I understood in my experience too, it's not as serious as it used to be. You know, these tires come out of the factory a lot less slippery nowadays. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get going. Right? Let's get going. Let's get going. What? You want to chill a little longer? Hop on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to Lithuania. Ah, the tire sticks. It sticks.
Krosika takiego.
A, cross, motocross. A,
No.
jest motocross.
No.
Ja, da,
No,
tak?
jeździ.
Pedro, come. Foot here. Mhm. Tak. A? Dobrze. Yeah? Nice. Yeah, you can turn off. Hey, nice, man. Tak. Dobrze, no.
Jeszcze mówię, pokaż Marcin
Ah, the ping pong.
Ping pong.
Hello, man. Nice to meet you. Good luck with the riding, man. Champion.
No. No to cheers, no.
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia, do widzenia.
Ciao. Atlas is always pulling spectators. Has nothing to do with me.
Or me.
Oh yeah, this is all Atlas. We got a pack of ponies here. Very nice ones too. Beauty. Wow, look at this beautiful pine forest. This is the road that Piotr, that he recommended, the route to take, close to the Belarusian border, along the lakes, into Lithuania. This is great, these old roads. More military units over there, they're all staying. There's heaps of military, usually big trucks here in this region, non-stop, on the border with Belarus. I plotted a small border crossing route, and it takes us on some unsealed road. Nice. Further give that E07 Dakar Plus a bit of a test, eh? But this is what it should be made for. Yeet! Oh, we missed this, eh, folks? Litva's right here. Nice. Let's ride along the Polska-Litva border. I can feel the Litva air. Oh. Welcome to Litva. Also known as Lithuania.
Litva.
Yep, got some Polska, got some Litva. Tak.
Litva.
I don't know if it's tak in Lithuanian. Might have to relearn everything once again. And I just got into animals and food in Duolingo in Polish.
Litva is Republika.
Polska.
Polska.
Lietuvos. Respublika. This really is the Lake District, this part of the Baltics. Southern Lithuania, if I don't know, like most of it just looks like more lake than land. Probably how the Netherlands used to be. Glaciers back in the day really dug into the place, it seems. Lietuvos Respublika. And into Lietuvos for real now. Another country, not a new one that I haven't been to yet. And another one on the Baltic experience list. And a bit of unsealed fun for the beautiful countryside here continues in Lithuania. This is all a man needs in life. Druskininkai. Oh, the fuel's so expensive here again. Inflation, eh? Considering to stay more than a few days out here. You know, in a nice natural environment, and where I can also get some work done for a few days straight. River over the Nemunias. Look at this, it's like apartments in the forest. Hello, speak Pedro Mota from booking.com. We just arrived in town and we are in front of the apartment. Well, apparently there has been a mix-up. And this place already been rented, but somehow was online. They offered an alternative for the night. We'll see then what happens after that. But we got something for the night at a friendlier price. We got sorry you got involved in the mix-up rate. There we are. Home sweet home. Long overdue. So yesterday the apartment didn't go down, so we ended up here. They sorted us out with a different place, which is very nice for a mishap rate. But they also offered us the place upstairs which has a balcony. Let's go have a look. This little corner is actually really nice, and but the fact that you sit here in between the trees is also very nice. But this is the place that they offered also for the little mix-up, and it starts off right away with the lower floor. Very
Big kitchen.
complete kitchen with focus.
A lady. It sits on it. It's got a lady.
It's a
lady.
good to have a lady in the kitchen, and then there's an upstairs too. This is the master bedroom, and this is the guest bedroom here. We can invite the friends from Europe. All they have to do is drive about 1,100 kilometers. It's not much. And then the cool part here is welcome down, ma'am, lady. The rooftop terrace. You see how it sits here between the trees? So, and this is for the same friendly rate of 30 euros. That we were paying downstairs. To be honest, out here it actually looks like it's become a how do they say in Dutch? Geluk bij een ongeluk.
Maybe it's too cold for taking a swim in the lake, but
Oh shit! The
it's
time
nice.
is here. The time is coming, right?
Yeah.
So I was calling it the Lake District, but I think all of Lithuania is the Lake District. No, sort of.
No, the Druskininkai is quite in a good place because it has a lake in the center of the city where you can
Yeah.
also swim. There's a beach,
Yeah.
and there are several lakes around here, but mostly there are lakes up in the north. But for us, it's perfect here. That's my husband.
Hi, Pedro.
Here's some.
Mariska.
Okay.
I'm Pedro.
So nice.
Pedro.
Yours easier.
Yeah.
And yesterday I heard your name like 5 times, so
Oh shit! Yeah.
it was quite a topic in our
Oh no,
journey.
Pedro's coming, Pedro's coming. Why is Pedro here? Oh, how is this possible? But this has been great on the gravel road. How did you like riding on the gravel road? Huh?
It was a bit bumpy.
It was a bit bumpy, wasn't it? Someone became slightly more grabby. Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Hot.
Hot, thank you.
Wow.
Oh, this is a big, what do you call
Oh,
this?
it's a
Yeah,
Lithuanian.
shazlik, you said. That reminds me.
I think they do call it.
Very good.
I know it.
So, buva lavaiskano. It was
It was
delicious.
delicious.
Been doing your Lithuanian
But it
research
might
this
be a
time.
silent L because good
Goodbye.
morning is Abbas or hi is Abbas. They don't speak.
Abbas.
L.
Let's go to the gym! So here in Druskininkai, there are no gyms. We'll have to figure something out here at the local spa resort. Oh yeah! Very good. Yep. We got weights. We got all the machines in the world. We got plates. Hell yeah. Not this time, Arnie, but another place, another time. This was the Aqua Gym sessions in Druskininkai. Ended up spending about 20 euros altogether, €5 per session, so 4 times. It was good. Best gym until now, I think. Gym of Champions.
Quickly to the supermarket and we got that camarones. See. Some of the chop. Because we're going to need heaps of garlic. Shut up, you. Do we even have more garlic? Sí, muy caliente, papi. Dale. Ay, no quiero ir. Pero sí, here comes the good stuff. They love this sort of thing. Ay, qué bueno. Dale, compadre, tío. Some more chop on there. Ay, mi amigos. And we can top it off with a little bit of a lemon squeezy, baby.
Here they go.
There they go.
Ay, vámonos, cabrones. Sí, qué bueno. Mariska. Hello. Encantado. Mare.
Sí, es del mar, sí. Ay, estás perdido, amigo. Ay, tío, ¿dónde están mis amigos? Están aquí, cabrones. Say hello to my little friends, los camarones.
Bliss. Now I'm ready to crash after leg day.